Tools. Everybody loves tools, but they're really expensive. What if I showed you how I get tools for very low cost or even completely free? And this will be a 3-part series, providing that people respond well to it, that is. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. We'll be talking about building your network today. I'll show you. Stand by. First of all, develop a network of people. You probably already got one. Group of friends, relatives, even people at work. Tell them you're looking for tools. Maybe at work you got one of those bulletin boards. Put up a little card on the bulletin board saying you're looking for tools. You never know who may have something they're not using anymore and are willing to sell or even give to you. But friends and family for sure. People are, unfortunately, and it sounds macabre, but a lot of people are dying and they don't know what to do with those tools. They're giving them away to other family members first. That's how I got a lot of my tools. Friends are another good source. They might know someone who has the tool you're looking for and can point you in the right direction. Let's say you were looking for a table saw and one of your friends has somebody. They gave them your number, they call you up, they say, hey, I've got this saw, come on over and look at it. And it might not be a table saw, but don't just outright reject it. If you reject it, whether you're on the phone or in person, and you say, oh, that's not what I'm looking for, and just walk off, thanks anyway, it might leave a bad taste in somebody's mouth. They may not like, they may feel rejected, and they're probably not going to call you again. And let me tell you why you don't want to do that for sure. You don't know what other tools these people may have. So you go over to the lady's house, she shows you a jigsaw. This was her husband's saw. She has no idea what a table saw is. She has no idea what any saw is. But she just heard you looking for a saw and she has this saw. You've got jigsaws. You don't need the jigsaw. Get the jigsaw anyway, especially if they're giving it to you for free. While you are in the house or in the garage, she is showing you, your eyes are going around the room, insuspiciously, carefully, so she doesn't catch you looking around the room. You're seeing what else is there. Now, you're not going to come up to this lady and say, oh man, oh, how much you want for that? Don't do that. You thank the woman. You take the tool and you say, you know, is there any other tools you have that you might want to get rid of? There may be something. She says, oh gosh, I got all kinds of stuff around here. Don't just start grabbing the stuff and assuming it's free. Even if she says you can have it, always offer money at the end. Just be grateful and gracious. Say, are you sure you don't want something for this? I feel really guilty taking this stuff from you. Offer to do something around the house to help them. Fix something for them or whatever. Most of the time, they're going to give it to you for free. Maybe they're going to sell it to you. If the woman has a son-in-law or something, they're going to charge you. The price is going to go up. I always bring at least $100 in cash with me, 20s, 10s, 5s, whatever. Carry it on you just in case they want $5 or whatever for the tool. You know what? Reach in your pocket, pull it out, give it to them, pay them for it. Even if you don't need the tool or don't want the tool, you're going to leave a really good impression on that person because you're going to tell them, if you know of anybody else that wants to get rid of their tools, I am starting to build stuff. I really want to learn how to build stuff. Old ladies talk to other old ladies. They have a little community of old ladies that they talk to. You don't know what's in people's houses. You have no idea what they bought 50 years ago and may have been sitting there collecting dust. And every spring they say, I gotta get rid of that thing. Oh, I should just get rid of that thing. You may be the guy who takes that thing away, and it might be something really cool and really useful. Here's one thing you don't want to do. Do not go in there telling people you're a maker, telling people you want to learn how to build stuff, and then grab the tools, turn around, put them on Craigslist and sell them. They're going to find out. And when they find out, that's going to leave a really nasty mark on your reputation. They're going to tell everybody what you did, and no one is going to want to talk to you. Be honest with them. If you're going to sell the tools, if you want to take the tools to sell them, be honest with them. Tell them. They might give them to you anyway, or sell them to you cheap anyway. Just be honest with people. Don't try snowing these people over, because they're gonna see through you. They're gonna see it. It's human nature. You're gonna give yourself away. Don't do that. And if you get the tool, it's not exactly what you want, keep it for a while. See if there's anybody else who wants it. Or you can always list it for free yourself on Craigslist, or you can put it out on the road with a sign that says free. What the heck? Didn't cost you anything to begin with. And if you're an artist type, you might be able to make something else out of what they give you. You never know. There's a lot of people making some really cool stuff out of used tools, out of old metal. Maybe they want it. If you're not an artist, give it to somebody who could use it to make something cool with. And while we're on that subject, you might be able to use it for a different purpose. I'm going to give you a perfect example here. So let's say you run across an old table saw like this, old Craftsman, and the guy wants 50 bucks for it. Well, is it worth 50 bucks? To me, it's well worth 50 bucks. This table is solid cast iron. What I can do with this table is take the motor off of it, take the plastic out of it, take everything else off of it. I can use this as a welding table. It'll work absolutely perfectly. It's a perfect size for a small welding table. This table's got slots in it I can use to hold down my work. I can easily put clamps in there, clamp the work down. I can get a good solid ground off of it, and it makes an absolutely perfect welding table. There is no way you are going to build a welding table this solid for 50 bucks. There's not a chance. The steel alone in this thing would cost you probably 300. There you go. That's a perfect example. You can repurpose a lot of these old tools to do something else. I know what you're thinking. That's really great, Jeff, but nobody in my family really has tools that they're going to give away. Nobody's really a builder. I don't really have a whole lot of friends. I'm an introvert, so what do? I hear you. You're talking to a brother. You're listening to an introvert right now, and I don't have a whole lot of friends. I'm sure not going to stick up a card at work that says I'm looking for tools. Those are for the extrovert. The introverts, we're going to hit the places like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. And that's what we'll be talking about next time. So until then, happy hunting, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.